Hello everyone and welcome to the first tutorial on Linux commands. There are two types of user interface. One is Graphical User Interface or GUI and another is Command Line Interface or CLI. So why should we learn to use CLI? One word, speed. It is possible to do things way faster on Command Line Interface compared to GUI. For example, it will take you almost an hour to make 1000 folders using Graphical User Interface, whereas writing one simple shell script will enable you to make tens of thousands of folders in few seconds. I will be using macOS and built-in terminal for this series. If you are using a Windows computer, I recommend you to install Ubuntu using virtual machine and follow the tutorial. So let me open up the terminal. There are like three ways to open the terminal. First, click on Launchpad, go to Other, and you see it here, Terminal. Click on it and terminal will open. Another way is to click on this search icon and you can see a search bar which is called Spotlight Search, and you can open up the terminal by typing in terminal. And the third and the fastest way to do is you can hit Command plus spacebar and you can see the same thing, which is Spotlight Search, and type in terminal and you can open up the terminal. So I'll maximize this, increase the font size. Next thing, there's a chance your terminal looks a little different, but if you are using macOS, there's a way to get the same theme which I'm using. You can go to Shell, New Window or New Tab, and you can click on Homebrew. That's what this theme is called. So before we get started, one thing you should know is file system in Linux follows a tree-like structure. Topmost folder is known as root folder. Let me show you what I mean. We will go to Finder and let's fire up our Finder. And when you click on this, right click and click on your hard drive, this is your root folder. So you can say like the topmost folder is called the root folder and this is it. And these are like child folders, or you can say child nodes. You get the point, right? It looks like a tree. And another thing to note is each and every Linux operating system, be it macOS or Ubuntu or even Android, they all have a root folder. Yes, they do. So let's get started. First command we will learn is clear, very important, clear. If there's a lot of stuff here and you want more space, just hit clear. Type in clear and you will see you will get a lot of space. Next command we will learn is pwd. This is called present working directory. Every time you fire up your terminal, this is where everything will start. And it is known as home directory. It is generally users / and your name or whatever name you gave while setting up your computer. So clear again. Once again, it was pwd. Next command we will learn is man. This is the greatest command ever. You can use this to learn about any command which I teach in this video or in any further video or anyone else who teaches you anything. Just type in man and you can type in the command which you want to learn more about and hit enter and you will get this bunch of stuff. You can see it says it returns working directory name and all this stuff. So the more you learn, the more you will understand what all this stuff means, but definitely I will go deeper into all this stuff in future videos. If you hit escape, it's not possible to get out of this screen, so you will be hitting Q. So hit Q and you will be back on your terminal. Let's clear again. So first one was pwd, next one was man, pwd, man, and it will give you description, and the way to get out of this is hitting Q. Next command we will learn is let's learn about cd, which is called change directory. So right now I'm in home directory. Let's go to root. So in command line, this / is the root. So hit cd and you can see the change. Like it's small, but the tilde sign is home and this is root. So if you do ls, you will get ls. Okay, this is a new command. Ls is list items. So ls, you can see stuff what's inside that current folder, like present working directory. Okay, you can see applications, library, system. If you go back to Finder, that's what we have here: applications, library, and system. Let's go back to our home directory and clear all this out, and we will do ls. And our home directory has desktop, documents, downloads, and all this stuff here. Once again, let's recall the stuff. So first one was pwd. You can see present working directory. Next one is cd, which is change directory. The way to get onto the previous folder is cd ... This will give you the previous folder. So for example, let's if we hop to desktop, so you can see desktop here. And if you wish to go back, if you wish to go back to the home directory, you will do cd this ... sign, and you will go back to the home directory. And another thing we learned was ls. And the most important one was man. So let's try man on ls, and you will get a lot of stuff because ls is important. So ls is the next topic for the next video, and we will dig deeper into ls. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, hit like. And if you have any comments or questions, post them in the comments. So I'll see you in the next video.